Oh, okay. Oh, look. Dude, it's gonna be a sunny day. Let's go play fetch with my dog. Okay.
Huh?
Ah. Okay. Okay, so $1 each. Okay, let's get just one, I guess.
Huh?
Okay.
Nom nom.
I'm not sure. Should I just get one? Alright, do you play fetch? Hey, follow me? No one. You can use your doggy skills. Come on. What the heck? Come on, come on. Look at this. Go fetch. Go fetch. I guess he ain't gonna fetch. That's sad. I spent $1 on my buckos. I spent $1 on my dollar. Actually, it's just $1. Hopefully he can go get it, maybe. I guess I'm just gonna watch my thing. How did you get big? Hey? Go get the ball.